Exporting a Trello board allows you to backup or share the board's data outside of Trello. While Trello doesn't offer a direct export option for free users, there are several methods you can use based on your account type. For free users can manually copy board details by either printing the board. Open the board, click on Show menu, More, Print and Export, then select Print Board. You can then print the board to PDF for a simple export. Manual copying. Manually copy the content from the board by copying card titles, descriptions, and other relevant data into a document or spreadsheet. For Trello Business Class or Enterprise users, export as JSON. Navigate to the board menu and click More, Print and Export, Export as JSON. This exports the board data in JSON format, which can be imported into third-party tools for analysis or backup. Third-party tools. Business and enterprise users can also use third-party integrations, such as Trello's power-ups or external tools to export board data in CSV or PDF formats.